Hello everyone, now let's proceed with another drawing. Let's see what I'm going to draw this time. So here I'm going to draw a lizard which is looking so scary. Are you scared of lizards? Well, I am very much scared of lizards. Okay, so here I have drawn its legs like this. Now I'm going to draw these stripes on its body, and like this you have to draw these stripes. Now let's proceed with another drawing. So here I'm going to draw a flower in a very simple way and then with a flower pot. So this is looking so beautiful and so easy, isn't it? Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here first of all you have to draw a big circle, then the semicircles. Now let's draw the leaves and stem and flower pot. Now let's color this flower using pink color like this, and yellow color for the center, and green for the leaves, and brown color for the flower pot. It is ready. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here I'm going to draw a boy who is doing karate. Okay, so this I'm going to draw its hands. Okay, now the legs. He has stretched its legs like this. Now it is ready. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Let's see what I'm going to draw this time. Any guesses? Well, yes, here I'm going to draw a monkey, and let's draw its lower body and its legs like this. One more, and its hands and legs and its tail, and it is done. Now it is time to draw something else. Let's see what I'm going to draw this time. So here I am going to draw a bunny with big ears and which is holding a carrot in its hand. So here let's draw another hand which is holding a carrot, and it is